The student expected to see a dash that appears to be moving around the perimeter of the 16:2 liquid crystal display. It should look like this. But the code doesn't compile, so there's nothing on the screen. Here's the code. Try to troubleshoot the problems before I do. In this case, I've checked the hardware and there are no problems. In the code, the problems start with having the data pins in the wrong order. But note that the first two args are not data pins, they're the RS and enable, which are correct for the wiring of this display. Next is a simple typing mistake of using a semicolon to separate args. That separator is always a comma. Starting the LCD uses begin, which is a method within your liquid crystal objects, so the object name must be defined. Same here, the set cursor command must be located by stating the LCD object. At this point in the code, the dash character is at the far right of the screen. That position is number 15, since the positions are 0 based. Here there is a reverse to the comparator. The loop should continue until it gets up to 16. In the complete version of this episode, we look at a similar situation, but with two characters and how they interact. Your troubleshooting will be a little harder. Here's a tip. For a device like a display, there's usually sample code from the manufacturer. But these samples are usually long, showing off all the features. A good technique for your project is to start with that long code and then delete sections until you're down to what you need. As you cut, compile often.